All right, before we get started with the lightning round, I do once again remind everyone that this is the perfect time to join the CNBC Investing Club. We are serving up an incredible offer that ends very soon, so please don't miss out. All the info is here. Just scan this code with your phone or go to cnbc.com/Cramer Cyber Monday now. And now it is time. It's up to the lightning round. That's where Rob Carlos won't say it. Don't want me to say, play the sound. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. Let's start with Rick in Florida. Rick.
Hello, Dr. Cramer. How about the Eagles?
Oh, man, love the birds. Love the birds. Be here Sunday. What's up?
I need your opinion, intermediate and long term, on Paramount Group.
All right. Yeah, this is not the entertainment company. This is actually a real estate company, and it is very inexpensive. But at the same time, I don't like office real estate, so I'm torn on it. Cheap, but maybe a value trap. Let's go to Adrian in Illinois. Adrian.
Hello, Jim. I want to first-time caller and long-time listener. I want to thank you for sharing your knowledge with us and teaching me to be a better investor.
Thank you, Adrian. Appreciate it. How can I help?
Okay. With our quest to break our alliance on fossil fuels, I've been reading more and more articles regarding nuclear power. Even this morning, CNBC had an article about a lot of money from venture capital moving into nuclear power. I'd like to know if uranium is a good investment at this point in time.
Look, I think you and I both recognize that it's clean energy, but you and I also have to understand that there are no consistent plans right now in this country for nuclear power. It has too many enemies, and as long as it has too many enemies, it is not worth investing in. Let's go to Ken in California. Ken.
Yo, Jimmy Chill, what is good?
What's happening, man? What's going on?
All right, good. I got a stock with superb relative strength, hit an all-time high this week. 2023 is the stock pickers market. Can I trade or fade? Extreme Networks, EXTR.
Extreme Networks, that's Ed Marcourt. He came on many, many years, and I saw him when the Super Bowl in Minneapolis when the Eagles won. That was, probably February 5th of 2018. Is when I saw him. And you know what? I think it's a very good networking company. Unfortunately, the stock is up in a straight line. It is too high. Ed won't mind this if I say let's just let it cool off a little, and then you can do some buying. Let's go to Jeremiah in Texas. Jeremiah.
Hey, Cramer. This is Jeremiah from Austin, Texas. Man, I'm a big fan. Whenever I look at the stocks, I look at the financials, deep dive into it. I really like Super Micro Computers Incorporated, ticker SMCI. What do you think?
It's a quandary to me. It's incredibly undervalued, and yet it has high growth. Seems too good to be true, which means we have to go to the Stoto man. That's right, Ben Stoto, also known as Chef, but we all call each other Chef. That has many other reasons that has to do with the show that the guy who first told us to watch it never did. But I do think we have to go to Stoto and figure out exactly what that company does. Now, and why it's so cheap. Let's go to Donald in my home state of New Jersey. Donald!
Good evening. Booyah, Jim. Hey, where's the video going? Looks like it's on a bullish
All right,
market.
NVIDIA just had a nice bounce, but we know that they have big inventory issues. We heard that from Marvell just yesterday. Marvell, great company, big inventory problems. They all have the hyperscale inventory. In other words, it's all built up in the system. I think theirs goes through and is done and is flushed by the first weeks of January and will be in better shape. It still may be. I'm going for the Chapel Trust. We did sell some because we do not like a situation where inventory is what's in control. How about we go to Kate in Georgia? Kate.
Hi, Jim. Recently, I saw. It's good to hear your voice. I saw another contributor, and he specializes in charts on CNBC. And I really respect him and like him. As a matter of fact, he did one on Eli Lilly a while back saying it was going to break out. And, of course, Eli Lilly broke out. But I knew there was a high probability because I'm in the investing club.
Oh, perfect.
But recently he did one on gold. And I did my research, and I looked into it, and I decided to go with one of the positions that's in the bullpen. And I want to know how you feel about it. How do you feel about Barrick Gold? Ticker GOLD.
Okay, I have been wrong on Barrick. I like it. I've liked it, and I'll continue to like it. It's got a good yield. But the problem is the dollar's got to get weaker. And in that case, if the chart is good, you can be a buyer of Barrick Gold. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Coming up, what's good for the goose is bad for the gander? Take a gander as Cramer unravels the Fed's peculiar impact on stocks. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.